All right, folks, Justin here again. Look, if you're not keeping an eye on your competitors, you're basically handing them your customers on a silver platter. Today, we're diving deep, real deep, into competitor research. We're not just skimming the surface here. We're going to uncover every little secret they're hiding. Step 1, know your enemy. All right, let's start simple. Type in a keyword related to your service on Google. Say you're a dentist. Search for dental implants in Los Angeles. Scroll past the ads and any directory website like Yelp. These websites you see below, these are your direct competitors. Make a list of these. Now let's shift our eyes and take a look at the map pack results here. Note these listings down. Next, let's drop the city from your search. Just type dental implants and see if there are any other different top ranking results. You want to list all of these. Why? Because these are your local online competitors. Now, before we move on, let's dive a bit deeper into the why behind this exercise. Knowing your online competitors is like having a map of the battlefield. It's not just about knowing who they are, but understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. This knowledge isn't just for show, it's actionable intel. You see, many local businesses usually compare themselves to their competitors down the street or over to the next county, but those don't always match their online competitors. Winning online means focusing on beating those competitors that appear at the top of Google, YouTube, and any industry-specific directories. Why? Because these are the businesses your potential customers will see before they see your business when they go to Google. By understanding what they offer and how they present themselves, you can find gaps in the market, refine your unique selling proposition, and position yourself more effectively. Similarly, when you look at the top 3 map results, you're seeing the local businesses that are winning the local SEO game. These are the businesses that your local customers are likely calling before they even consider you. By analyzing their profiles, you can understand what local customers value, tailor your offerings, and boost your local visibility. Now, once you have this list, it's not just about keeping an eye on them. It's about learning from them, analyzing their content, their user engagement, and their reviews. What are they doing right? What are they doing wrong? This isn't about copying, it's about innovating. So let's get into that analysis a little bit. Here's the thing, Google isn't just spoon-feeding results to its users. It's connecting searchers to precise services they demand. So ensuring your business is categorized correctly is crucial here. Remember, searchers aren't badly exploring local businesses. They're hunting for specifics. Ensuring your business pops up in relevant searches is the goal here, and choosing the appropriate category is a must. If you're not sure what category is best, remember to review your competitor's listing. Check out the top 3 results at least. Okay, this is a big one. Your competitors' reviews aren't just testimonials, they're benchmarks, signals of trust to both customers and Google. Notice the number of reviews they have. See the consistency and the frequency of their reviews. These aren't idle metrics here. They're kind of like your competition's report card. The mission here is to outperform them. In busy cities like Los Angeles, where proximity is king, businesses closest to the searcher with robust reviews and the right categories will get the crown. With this deep look into Google Maps, you're not merely gathering data, you're harvesting actionable insights. The categories you pick and the reviews you nurture are both important pieces in the local SEO jigsaw. So have at it. All right, now diving deep into the heart of Google's ranking signals. Let's unravel the mystery of why certain pages rank on the first page of Google and what it'll take for you to outdo them. We'll use Ahrefs here, our preferred SEO tool, to guide our analysis. So the first thing we want to do here is to take one of your ranking competitors' page URL and enter it in the Site Explorer tab. Make sure you toggle exact domain here. All right, on the screen, you'll see a lot here, but first and foremost, look at the domain rating. Before you even consider ranking for a keyword, you need to size up the competition here. The domain rating is a quick snapshot of how authoritative a website is in the eyes of Google. Check out all the top ranking sites for your keyword. If their domain rankings are sky high, you know you're in for a tough battle to outrank them. But don't be daunted here, we're gonna dive a little bit deeper. This is where the real detective work begins. Are these pages finally tuned for your keyword? Well, let's find out. Does the target keyword appear in the URL? Is the keyword present in their title tag, their H1? And what about secondary keywords in H2s and H3s? How long are these articles? Are they text heavy or bursting with images and videos? Any rich data and statistics? Spotting these consistencies give you invaluable insights into what Google loves. Now, let's get a sense of the firepower you're up against. Let's again enter the URL of the ranking page into Ahrefs here. This time, let's take a look at the page's backlink profile. See that number? Those are the do follow links powering the page to its top rank. It's like knowing the strength of your opponent's army. This gives you a ballpark figure of how many quality links you might need to get in the game. If you want to learn more about how to build your backlink profile and get links, I've added a great blog about it in the description. Now think about it. With this thorough breakdown, you're not just hoping to rank, you're strategizing your way there. Every page that's ranking high has given away its secrets here when you use a tool like this. All you have to do is study them and then get to work. From the structure of their content to the might of their backlinks, it's all there for you to decipher. By the end of this, armed with knowledge and a clear strategy, you're ready to go. With tools like Ahrefs and the tactics we unveiled, you're not just playing in the SEO league, you're set to dominate. Now, let's shift gears a bit and dive into Google search ads. Now, while organic search is fantastic, sometimes you need that little extra push, that spotlight to get in front of your audience. And that's where ads come in. Let's go back to Google search here and start by searching for your service keyword. See those top results with the little ad label? Those are your competitors' ads. Now, obviously, we don't just want to glance here and move on. We want to kind of dive deeper into these pages. What's their core message? Are they offering a discount, a free consultation, maybe a guarantee? Take notes on all of this. Then click on those ads. Yes, it might cost them a bit, but hey, all's fair in love and marketing. Analyze their landing pages. What's their call to action? How's their design? Is their content compelling? This isn't about copying, it's about understanding and asking yourself, what can I do to make this better? How can I stand out? A good and super easy way to find out how you can make a better landing page is to just ask somebody. Find a friend, open up a competitor ad and ask them what they think. What could be added or removed to the page to inspire the desired action? Now, here's a little secret. Ahrefs isn't just a SEO tool. It's actually really great for ad intel as well. With Ahrefs, you can literally see what keywords your competitors are throwing their money at. Type in their domain and head over to the paid search tab here. Bam, you got a list of all the keywords they're bidding on. But don't stop there. Like I mentioned before, check out their ad copy. What's their pitch? Are they going for an emotional angle, or maybe they're just all about the facts and figures? Understand the strategy. This intel is straight up espionage. Use it to craft your ads, not just similar ads, but better, more compelling, more click-worthy ads. Now, Ahrefs is not a free tool. So if you're looking to keep things cost-free, Google has a great tool called Ad Transparency Center. It's super easy to use, and I'll link it in the description. Okay, so at the end of this exercise, you're not just another business trying to get noticed on Google. You're a strategic marketer now, armed with insights, ready to grab the spotlight and outshine the competition. Remember, in the world of online marketing, knowledge isn't just power, it's a competitive edge. And with these strategies, you're not just in the game, you're playing to win. All right, let's bring our discussion to a close here. One essential takeaway, continual competitor analysis is crucial. The online landscape is ever-changing. Competitors are always adapting, and you should too. Take note of what we discussed, act on your findings, prioritize the steps you need to take, then get to work. This process isn't merely about monitoring competitors, it's about understanding the market deeply and positioning yourself to lead. Stay proactive, continue to adapt and improve. The goal is to be consistently ahead, to not just participate, but excel. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. We're here to provide information, and your support helps us continue that. Keep an eye out for our next video. Bye.